At Iron Mountain Data Centers, protecting our customers' data means compliance across every angle: information security, healthcare, government, financial services, environmental, and quality management. These frameworks intersect to create the most comprehensive global compliance program in the data center industry. Our proactive approach means the same frameworks apply at every site. One certification or report covers an entire region or our entire portfolio for consistent enterprise-wide reporting and auditing. When a customer expands into a new region, they get that same level of service and compliance anywhere in the world. We hold ISO certifications across the board: 50001, 27001, 9001, and 14001. Iron Mountain Data Centers is the first colocation provider in the world with enterprise-wide ISO 14001 and 50001 certifications, and the only one certified globally for business continuity under ISO 22301. Along with our global expertise, we have a deep understanding of regional compliancy, with specific certifications across North America, Asia, and Europe. We tailor that expertise by industry too: ISO 27001, SOC 2 and SOC 3 for information security, PCI-DSS for financial services, HIPAA and HITRUST for healthcare. And for government, our NIST 800-53 report is FedRAMP ready at NIST's highest control level and mapped to the Department of Defense's Cybersecurity Maturity Model certification. Iron Mountain's enterprise-wide compliance program is built by every one of our employees, giving customers one dependable program that scales as they do. We protect, connect, and activate your data.